Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Gemini AI on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type Gemini AI and hit the search button. Once the app appears on your search results, tap on it. Finally, on the app's details page, tap on the Get button or a cloud icon with an arrow showing downwards to download the app. And this is how you can install Gemini AI on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.